Okay guys, so how to disable .htaccess file in your WordPress installation. Before doing anything, it's highly recommended that you never ever edit this file from your WordPress dashboard, because there are some plugins like file managers which can let you edit the htaccess file, because a little mistake in this file will make your server to not run the PHP, or it will not run your website, and there can many problems happen. So when you have FTP access or when you have file manager access of your web hosting panel, only then edit this file. This is my recommendation to you. Okay, how to disable this file in case you have made any problem, or this file is making any problem, or you may think there is some rule in this file which are making a website slow. Just go to file manager from your cPanel, control panel of your web hosting, whatever type of web hosting panel you have. If you need web hosting, you can get from us. Okay, from public_html, this is your WordPress installations root directory where your WordPress is installed. You can see that you are unable to see .htaccess file here, because you have to enable that from show hidden files. Dot files are always hidden, so make them show them visible, make them visible. Okay, to deactivate it, just rename it to anything, just add .bk after it. Now this file have been disabled. If you check my website now, permalinks will stop working, alright, because there is no .htaccess file. And if you want to recreate your permalinks, just go here and go to permalinks and select plain, then select back post name, and WordPress will create its .htaccess file. Okay, so my backup file will be still there, but WordPress have created a new .htaccess file to handle the permalinks, but I have some caching rules in my .htaccess which I made backup, so I will restore that file. Okay, so let me confirm if my permalinks are working. From FTP, what you can do, this is very simple. Just go to your WordPress installation wherever it is. In my case, it's in public_html folder. Rename your .htaccess file. Okay, this is how you can do it. That's it.